Hi. Today we will be learning how to change the download location of Google Chrome browser. These are the downloads I made. But when I click on them, these take me here and there. So, let's fix it. Go to 3 dots. Settings. Downloads. Here you can change the location of your downloads. It can be desktop, documents or any other drive you want it to be. Also, if you want, you can switch on it and Chrome will ask you every time where to download before the download begins. So, this is how you can simply change the download location of your Google Chrome browser. Please be with us and inspire. Goodbye.